In the silent aftermath of the Big Bang, the universe drifts in its quiet afterglow. Oceans of hydrogen and helium stretch across the dark. From that stillness, unseen structures awaken, halos of dark matter rising first, shaping the visible universe like invisible architects. Into their pull, gas begins to fall, heating and compressing until the first stars ignite. A new dawn breaking against eternal night. Those first stars gather into small, glowing islands, tiny, uneven galaxies adrift in a boundless sea. But gravity never rests. It draws these islands together, merging them in a grand cosmic construction. Through countless collisions, one gathering begins to dominate, the seed of what will become our galaxy. The young Milky Way feeds on its neighbors, weaving their stars into ghostly rivers that still circle it today. Within its growing halo, gas rains inward, colliding, cooling, and slowly beginning to spin. Rotation brings order from chaos. A vast, turbulent disk spreads outward, glowing with newborn stars. More gas cascades toward the center, igniting fierce bursts of light and forming a brilliant core, the heart of a future spiral. Supernovae erupt through this heart, forging heavy elements and flooding the galaxy with fire and light. Over time, chaos finds rhythm. Motion flattens the inflow into a wide, rotating sheet of stars and gas. Here, new suns are born in calm orbits, long-lived, steady beacons that outlast the storms of their ancestors. The Milky Way begins to reveal itself, a shimmering disk wrapped in a halo of old stars and dark matter's unseen grip. Stars trace elegant spirals through its body, gravity's invisible pattern etched across the night. Far beyond, ancient globular clusters continue their slow dance, relics of the Milky Way's violent youth. Each past collision leaves a signature behind. Streams of torn stars, shattered clusters, and foreign light. Waves of gravity ripple through the disk, sweeping gas into graceful spirals of brilliance. Along these arms, stars ignite in waves, blue clusters born, shining, and drifting outward as others rise behind them. Even now, the halo above and below rains invisible rivers of gas, feeding the next generations of stars. In the thin disk, calm takes hold. Stars live long, their orbits steady, the gas rich with the metals of dying giants. Yet gravity and motion keep reshaping the whole, bars and arms stirring the flow, drawing everything toward the center. Fresh gas keeps arriving, streaming in from the cosmic void and reigniting the outer arms with light. Through it all, dark matter still holds the galaxy together, unseen but absolute, binding every orbit in its silent gravity. Smaller galaxies continue to fall inward, torn apart by tides, their stars absorbed into the Milky Way's vast halo. And after billions of years of fire and gathering, the Milky Way shines complete, a grand rotating city of stars and dust. Each orbit tells the story of its age, the old metal-poor stars close to the core, the young radiant ones dancing at the edge. But between them, cold clouds drift in silence, vast oceans of gas waiting for gravity to stir again. In one quiet cloud, deep within a spiral arm, something stirs. The gas cools, contracts, and begins to fall. As it collapses inward, it spins faster, sweeping the surrounding dust into a vast, glowing disk. At its heart, pressure builds until hydrogen fuses, and the first light of a new sun pierces the dark. Around it, dust and ice collide, cling, and grow, the seeds of worlds yet to be born. This single star, one among billions, burns softly in a distant corner of the Milky Way, unaware that one day, life will rise here and look back at this very moment. Our sun and its planets are now ready to begin their journey.